one travel guide for top countries and their top destinations. First up, Italy. A land of art, architecture, and pasta. Italy is a cultural treasure trove with something for everyone, from ancient ruins to romantic canals. Top 5 places to visit in Italy. Rome. Explore the Colosseum, Roman Forum, and toss a coin in the Trevi Fountain. 2. Venice. Take a gondola ride through dreamy canals and visit St. Mark's Basilica. 3. Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance, home to Michelangelo's David and the Duomo. 4. Amalfi Coast, colorful cliffside towns and some of the most scenic coastal drives in the world. 5. Milan, Italy's fashion capital with the stunning Milan Cathedral and world-class shopping. France. Romance, art, and elegant landscapes. France is more than just Paris. It's filled with charming towns, stunning countryside, and coastal gems. Top 5 places to visit in France. Paris. Visit the Eiffel Tower, Louvre Museum, and stroll along the Seine. 2. Nice, a gorgeous city on the French Riviera with beautiful beaches and old-world charm. 3. Versailles. Just outside Paris, explore the lavish palace and gardens of Versailles. 4. Loire Valley, famous for fairytale castles and scenic vineyards. 5. Mont Saint-Michel, a magical island topped with a medieval abbey rising from the sea. Spain, passion, flavor, and festive streets. Spain is all about energy, from vibrant cities to beachside escapes. Top 5 places to visit in Spain. 1. Barcelona. Don't miss Gaudi's Sagrada Familia and the colorful Park Güell. 2. Madrid, the capital with grand boulevards, royal palaces, and buzzing nightlife. 3. Seville, flamenco dancing, Moorish architecture, and a rich cultural heritage. 4. Granada, explore the stunning Alhambra Palace. 5. Valencia, a mix of historic sites and futuristic architecture, plus paella at its birthplace. Greece, ancient ruins and island escapes. Greece blends thousands of years of history with postcard-perfect islands. Top 5 places to visit in Greece. Athens, visit the Acropolis, Parthenon, and ancient temples. 2. Santorini, iconic whitewashed buildings, sunsets, and caldera views. 3. Mykonos, a party island with charming streets and luxury vibes. 4. Delphi, once considered the center of the world in ancient mythology. 5. Crete, Greece's largest island, full of beaches, mountains, and Minoan ruins. 5. Germany. History, castles, and cutting-edge culture. Germany is a mix of medieval towns, vibrant cities, and rich traditions. Top 5 places to visit in Germany. 1. Berlin. See the Brandenburg Gate, Berlin Wall, and a thriving art scene. 2. Munich, home to Oktoberfest, Bavarian beer halls, and stunning parks. 3. Neuschwanstein Castle, a real-life fairy tale castle in the Bavarian Alps. 4. Heidelberg, a romantic university town with a beautiful old bridge and castle. 5. Cologne, famous for its towering Gothic cathedral and riverside vibes. Switzerland, nature, luxury, and Alpine dreams. Switzerland offers jaw-dropping landscapes, charming towns, and outdoor adventures. Top 5 places to visit in Switzerland. Zermatt, gateway to the Matterhorn and perfect for skiing or hiking. 2. Lucerne, a storybook city with a wooden bridge, lake views, and mountain access. 3. Interlaken, the adventure capital. Try paragliding or hiking between lakes. 4. Zurich, a cosmopolitan hub with arts, culture, and lakefront luxury. 5. Jungfraujoch, take a train to the top of Europe for stunning glacier views. Netherlands, canals, culture, and colorful charm. The Netherlands is a vibrant blend of historic cities, picturesque canals, blooming tulip fields, and world-class art. Top 5 places to visit in Netherlands. Amsterdam, cruise through the canals, visit the Van Gogh Museum, and tour the Anne Frank House. 2. Rotterdam, known for its modern architecture, lively harbour, and creative energy. 3. Giethoorn, a fairy tale village with no roads, just canals and walking paths. 4. Keukenhof Gardens, one of the world's largest flower gardens, best seen during tulip season. 5. The Hague, a royal city with beachside vibes, international courts, and rich history. Portugal's sun, sea, and soulful streets. Portugal offers golden beaches, rich history, and a laid-back atmosphere with soulful music and delicious food. Top 5 places to visit in Portugal. Lisbon, ride the famous yellow tram, explore Alfama, and enjoy panoramic viewpoints. 2. Porto, home of port wine, riverside beauty, and colorful architecture. 3. Algarve, stunning beaches, sea caves, and coastal cliffs, perfect for sun lovers. 4. Sintra, a fairy tale town with palaces like Pena Palace and lush hilltop views. 5. Madeira, a beautiful island known for its rugged coastline, hiking trails, and mild climate. Czech Republic, fairy tale towns, and Gothic grandeur. From medieval castles to charming cobbled lanes, the Czech Republic feels like stepping into a storybook. Top 5 places to visit in Czech Republic. Prague, walk the Charles Bridge, see the astronomical clock, and explore the Old Town Square. 2. Český Krumlov, a picturesque town with a castle, winding streets, and river views. 3. Karlovy Vary, a famous spa town with hot springs and grand architecture. 4. Kutná Hora, home to the hauntingly beautiful Sedlec Ossuary Bone Church. 5. Brno, a lesser-known gem with vibrant nightlife, history, and cool underground tours. Austria, Alpine beauty and Imperial elegance. Austria is where snow-capped mountains, grand palaces, and classical music come together in perfect harmony. Top 5 places to visit in Austria. Vienna, the elegant capital, known for grand palaces like Schönbrunn and Hofburg, plus Mozart and coffeehouse culture. 2. Salzburg, the birthplace of Mozart and backdrop of The Sound of Music, with stunning Baroque architecture. 3. Hallstatt, a storybook lakeside village surrounded by Alpine peaks, one of the most photographed places in Europe. 4. Innsbruck, a winter sports haven nestled in the Alps, perfect for skiing and mountain views. 5. Wachau Valley, a scenic region along the Danube known for vineyards, medieval castles, and charming towns. Europe is a dream destination for every kind of traveler, whether you're into ancient history, natural beauty, or mouth-watering cuisine. So which country are you adding to your bucket list first? Let me know in the comments. For more detailed travel guides and budget tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss an adventure.